You know that feeling when you're scrolling through thousands of photos of your chickens and you're looking for a specific one, but you just can't find it? The photo's there somewhere, but without any organization, it's almost impossible to find. In the world of AI, searching through vector data without an index feels exactly like that. To show you why, let's work with a list of 15 popular candies. The first thing we need to do is normalize our data. Think of this like filling out the same questionnaire for every candy. Summary, category, ingredients, seasonality, all in the exact same format. Normalizing means the same schema for every item, predictable field order, and consistent formatting. Because consistent input creates consistent comparable embeddings. Now, we turn each candy's normalized data into an embedding using OpenAI's Text Embedding 3 small model. Each embedding is a list of numbers that represents the meaning of our candy data in high-dimensional space. But here's the thing. These embeddings alone are just numbers. Without structure, searching through them means comparing our query to every single embedding, one by one. That's slow and gets slower as your data grows. Now, we add our embeddings and metadata to a vector index. Each candy gets stored with its embedding vector and all the human-readable info. This index organizes these spatially, meaning similar candies cluster together in the same neighborhoods. So when we search, instead of checking every single embedding, we jump straight to the relevant neighborhood. And because we stored the metadata alongside our embeddings, when somebody searches for chewy, fruity candy, they don't get back a list of numbers. They get back Starburst and Skittles with descriptions they can actually use. The result? Lightning-fast searches that return meaningful results. Without indexing, you're checking every photo in the album. But with indexing, you jump straight to the right section. So remember, normalize your data for consistency, embed it into vectors, index those vectors for speed, and store metadata for usability. That's how you turn a messy pile of high-dimensional data into something instantly searchable. Happy coding!